This isn't just another electric SUV, it's Toyota redefining where the future is built. But where does this machine actually come from? Tonight, we uncover the hidden story behind the Toyota B's Woodland and why its origin matters more than you think. Welcome to Next Generation Cars, where innovation meets the road ahead. For decades, Toyota built its legacy on reliability, efficiency, and trust. From hybrids like the Prius to global bestsellers, the brand didn't just follow change, it shaped it. But when the electric revolution accelerated, Toyota faced a new challenge. The world expected more than efficiency, it demanded innovation. And that's where the B series was born, Beyond Zero, a vision of zero emissions and beyond expectations. Yet behind that vision lies a question most people never ask. And now, the next chapter arrives. The 2027 Toyota B's Woodland, an electric SUV designed not just for cities, but for the unknown. The stance is higher, the presence stronger. It feels ready for something beyond the ordinary road. In this moment, it's clear this isn't just evolution, it's a shift in identity. The Woodland isn't designed for showrooms, it's designed for terrain, rugged lines, elevated ground clearance, a silhouette that feels both modern and adventurous. Compared to earlier B's models, this one speaks a different language, less urban, more exploration. Every edge, every surface, built with purpose. But design alone doesn't tell the full story, because the real transformation is hidden underneath. At its core, the B's Woodland is fully electric, but built with a mindset Toyota rarely explored before. Dual motor capability, smarter traction systems, a platform engineered not just for efficiency, but for control. This is where past limitations meet new solutions. Where EVs once struggled beyond smooth roads, this one adapts, and suddenly, the idea of an electric off-road lifestyle doesn't feel impossible anymore. Step inside, and the world becomes quieter. Minimalist design meets rugged functionality. Large digital displays guide you. Materials feel durable, yet refined. It's not luxury in the traditional sense, it's confidence. A cabin built not just for comfort, but for journeys that don't always go as planned. And now, the answer behind its origin. The Toyota B's lineup is assembled across multiple global facilities, including Japan and the United States, strategically positioned for the future of EV demand. Because this isn't just about where it's built, it's about how the world is being connected through it. A global machine for a global future. And maybe that's the real story here, not where it comes from, but where it can take you. So would you take this electric SUV beyond the road, or keep it in the city? Tell us your answer in the comments. And if you believe the future of driving goes beyond limits, subscribe to Next Generation Cars.